Welcome to this instructional video on how to leverage the Easytrieve VS Code extension functionalities while performing modifications to Easytrieve programs. This video will demonstrate how you can get more equipped and familiar with Easytrieve syntax with the help of features such as syntax coloring, error checking, hover, go to definition, and auto-completion. Syntax coloring provides you with the Easytrieve code that is easier to read and navigate thanks to the distinguishing colors among different categories of text. The categories are following the same practices as other programming languages in VS Code, which allows you to understand the Easytrieve syntax much faster. This is vital for anyone who is new to Easytrieve syntax. For example, keywords are in blue, comments are in green, and so on. Another feature to help you with writing quality Easytrieve code is error checking that provides you with feedback as you code. As you can see here in our example, there is one error found and reported in our code, warning us about a missing options table. The errors and warning messages are the same as those you would get once the Easytrieve code is compiled, but the benefit of using the extension's error checking capability is that you are getting these messages instantly without the need to compile first, as we will demonstrate in the next example. As you are defining the field name, you get an instant error message because the TPAG is not an acknowledged field name. You can see the error message in the console at the bottom of VS Code or in the box once you hover over the text. Another capability that can help you navigate in the code is hover, which presents you with basic information about the particular keyword. To get this information, you just have to move the mouse cursor over the text. In a moment, we are presented with information about the text, such as its type, offset in the file, size, and where it's defined. In order to see where it is defined, just right-click on the field and select Go to Definition. Let's say you want to add one or more fields to the report defined at the end of this program. Auto-completion capability comes in handy here for achieving it faster while mitigating the risk of typos and incorrect definitions. All you have to do is to add a colon after the file name and press Control Space. This will present you a list of all the fields defined in the TPAG file, and you can select one by clicking on it. For more information on the Easytrieve VS Code extension, please visit Visual Studio Code Marketplace. Thank you.